Tucked into the cobblestone heart of one of Mexico's most beloved colonial towns, the Rosewood San Miguel de Allende has quietly built a reputation as the kind of place travelers dream about long after their flights home. Sitting right beside Parque Benito Juárez and just a short stroll from the famous pink spires of the main church, this five-star property blends old hacienda charm with the polished service you would expect from the Rosewood name. The grounds feel less like a hotel and more like a private estate, complete with stone fountains, leafy courtyards, and hidden corners where guests can sip coffee and pretend, even for a moment, that they own the place. With around 1,665 reviews on Tripadvisor sitting at 4.5 out of 5, and a remarkable 9.6 out of 10 across more than 1,000 Expedia reviews, the property has clearly earned its glowing reputation. This review takes a closer look at what guests can actually expect, from the rooms to the spa to the sights waiting just beyond the front doors. The room options here are surprisingly varied, especially for a boutique-style luxury property. The entry-level colonial room already starts at a generous 570 square feet, which is bigger than many city apartments, and comes with either a king bed or two doubles, an in-room fireplace, an espresso machine, and a bathroom with both a tub and a separate shower. Most of these rooms also include a private balcony or terrace, which is a treat in a town built for slow mornings and golden afternoons. The rooftop colonial room offers similar size but adds access to a shared rooftop terrace, perfect for sunset watchers. For travelers who want a bit more room to spread out, the deluxe colonial room stretches up to 678 square feet and adds a larger sitting area where the fireplace really comes into its own. Step up to the junior suite and the space grows to around 900 square feet with a separate sitting area, while the Parroquia suite goes even further, offering 1,119 square feet and a large private terrace with direct views of the iconic La Parroquia church. That view alone is worth the upgrade for many visitors, especially at sunset when the sandstone facade turns shades of pink and gold. Families and longer-stay guests can also choose between 1, 2, or 3 bedroom residences, which include full kitchens, washers and dryers, dining areas, and in some cases a private plunge pool. Every category comes with complimentary Wi-Fi, an LED television, an in-room safe, and the kind of thoughtful styling that makes guests want to take photos of the light fixtures. One verified Expedia traveler called their room the best they had ever stayed in, praising the lighting, decor, and dreamy beds, which is a pretty big claim from someone who books hotels for a living, so to speak. When it comes to dining, the Rosewood keeps things refreshingly close to home, with 4 distinct venues that cover most cravings throughout the day. The flagship spot is 1826 Restaurant, which focuses on traditional and contemporary Mexican cuisine with a farm-to-table approach. That means the ingredients come from nearby growers and the menu changes with the seasons, which is exactly the sort of thoughtful sourcing guests at this price point have come to expect. Breakfast at 1826 has been singled out by multiple reviewers, with one Tripadvisor guest in February 2024 describing it as one of the best meals of its kind they had ever enjoyed. Lunch and dinner lean into bolder flavors with dishes that highlight regional traditions while still feeling modern and approachable. Up on the roof, Luna Rooftop Tapas Bar is where the magic really happens once the sun starts to dip. The menu features tapas and casual international plates, but the real draw is the panoramic view of the town's domes, rooftops, and surrounding hills. Cocktails here range from playful to serious, and it is a popular spot for both hotel guests and visitors looking for a special evening out. Down by the water, Agua serves a relaxed poolside menu of light Mexican and international dishes, perfect for those who do not want to move more than a few feet from their lounger. Rounding out the lineup is the 1826 Tequila Bar, which puts the spotlight on one of Mexico's greatest exports with a deep selection of tequila and mezcal alongside light bites. It is worth noting that a few past guests have mentioned inconsistent restaurant service, so while the food itself tends to impress, the timing of dishes can occasionally vary. The pool scene at Rosewood San Miguel de Allende is one of the property's most talked about features. There are 3 outdoor pools spread across the grounds, giving guests options depending on their mood, whether that means socializing, soaking up sun, or finding a quieter corner to read. The main pool area is bordered by cabanas, palms, and stone walls that give the whole space a sheltered, almost secret garden feel. Loungers are plentiful, and reviewers consistently describe the cabanas as a highlight of their stay, especially when paired with poolside snacks and cocktails delivered straight from agua. Since San Miguel de Allende is an inland city tucked into the mountains of central Mexico, there are no beaches nearby. But the pools genuinely do a wonderful job of providing that relaxed, waterside atmosphere. What makes the pools especially memorable is the setting. Guests floating on their backs can look up at colonial architecture, distant church towers, and clear blue skies that the region is famous for. The pools are heated during cooler months, which matters in a place where mornings can be brisk even when afternoons are warm. Service around the pool tends to be attentive, with staff bringing fresh towels, cold drinks, and the occasional surprise treat. For travelers who associate luxury vacations with oceanfront infinity pools, this experience is different but in many ways more intimate. It feels less like a resort and more like lounging in a wealthy friend's beautifully landscaped backyard, which is exactly the appeal. Beyond the pools, the activity options lean toward enrichment rather than adrenaline. A well-equipped fitness center keeps morning workout routines on track, with modern cardio and strength equipment available throughout the day. Yoga sessions are sometimes scheduled in the gardens or on terraces, and the concierge team can arrange guided walking tour of the town, cooking classes, tequila and mezcal tastings, and visits to nearby vineyards. San Miguel de Allende is also famous for its art scene, so hotel guests often take advantage of painting workshops, ceramic studios, and gallery visits during their stay. The Rosewood itself houses an on-site art gallery which gives guests a chance to browse work by local and regional artists without ever stepping outside. Sports-minded travelers may want to plan a little extra. Horseback riding, hiking, and hot air balloon rides over the surrounding countryside can all be arranged through the concierge, and there are golf courses within driving distance for those looking to get a few rounds in. Cultural and educational options are honestly where the property shines, since San Miguel has long attracted artists, writers, and food lovers from around the world. Spending an afternoon learning to cook regional dishes or taking a guided history walk through the cobblestone streets is the kind of experience that turns a vacation into a story worth telling. The team here knows the town inside and out, which means recommendations rarely miss the mark. The spa, known as Sense, a Rosewood spa, is the kind of place that quietly justifies the cost of the entire stay for many guests. Treatments draw on both international techniques and indigenous Mexican wellness traditions, with massages, body scrubs, facials, and rituals that often incorporate local ingredients like agave, copal, and mineral-rich clays. One Tripadvisor reviewer described their massage as fantastic, and that sentiment shows up again and again across review platforms. The treatment rooms are designed to feel like serene cocoons, with soft lighting, natural stone, and the kind of background music that actually helps guests relax rather than checking the clock. Beyond individual treatments, the spa includes spaces for steam, hydrotherapy, and quiet relaxation between services. Couples treatments are particularly popular here, especially among honeymooners and anniversary travelers who make up a meaningful share of the guest list. Yoga and meditation sessions can be arranged for those who want to combine physical wellness with the kind of mental reset that a vacation should offer. There is something especially fitting about a wellness experience grounded in a town that has long been considered a magnet for healing energy and creative renewal. Even guests who normally skip the spa often find themselves booking a treatment or two by the end of their stay. Since the Rosewood San Miguel de Allende is not adults only, families with children are welcome, and the hotel offers a seasonal children's program to keep younger guests entertained. Activities tend to focus on creativity and culture rather than the cartoon character entertainment that some resorts rely on. Kids might spend time learning about local crafts, painting, baking traditional treats, or exploring the gardens with staff who clearly enjoy working with younger guests. This thoughtful approach helps children connect with the place rather than treating it like just another hotel pool. Parents have praised the team for striking the right balance between keeping kids occupied and respecting the quiet luxury that draws couples and solo travelers in the first place. The hotel's residences, with their multiple bedrooms and full kitchens, make it especially practical for families traveling together or multi-generational trips. Strollers, cribs, and other essentials can typically be arranged in advance through the concierge. Older kids and teenagers tend to enjoy the rooftop areas, the pool, and the chance to explore a town that genuinely rewards curiosity. Just keep in mind that the children's program is seasonal, so families planning a visit during shoulder months should check ahead about availability. With so many cultural and outdoor activities right outside the door, even days without scheduled kids' activities tend to fill up quickly. The location is hard to beat for guests interested in exploring on foot. Parque Benito Juárez sits just 200 meters from the front door, offering shaded paths and a peek into local daily life. The famous Jardín Allende main square and the towering Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel Church are both about 600 meters away, an easy walk through cobblestone streets lined with galleries, boutiques, and bakeries. The Mirador de San Miguel viewpoint is roughly 2 kilometers away and offers some of the best photo opportunities in town, especially around sunset. Art lovers should not miss Fábrica La Aurora, a former textile factory turned art and design center located about 8 kilometers from the hotel. For travelers willing to venture a bit further, El Charco del Ingenio Botanical Garden sits 7 kilometers away and offers walking trails through native landscapes. The UNESCO-listed Santuario de Atatanilco is about 13 kilometers out, and the Escondido Place hot springs make for a relaxing day trip at around 11 kilometers from the property. The bus terminal is just over 2 kilometers away, while Querétaro International Airport sits about 75 kilometers from the hotel, roughly an hour by car. The concierge can arrange transfers, day trips, and guided excursions to make the logistics smooth. Honestly, between the in-town walking and the surrounding countryside, guests rarely run out of things to do. Taking a balanced look at the property, the strengths are undeniable. Guests consistently praise the beautiful grounds, the spacious rooms, the warm service, and the standout breakfast at 1826. The pool experience, the spa, and the rooftop bar all rank among the most memorable features of any San Miguel stay. The location places guests within easy walking distance of the town's biggest draws while still offering a sense of seclusion behind the hotel's stone walls. The weaker points are relatively small but worth mentioning. Some reviewers have flagged inconsistent restaurant service, occasional noise from events on the property, and the absence of clearly listed room rates, which can make budgeting in advance a bit tricky. What sets the Rosewood San Miguel de Allende apart from other luxury options is its sense of place. This is not a generic resort that could exist anywhere in the world. The architecture, the materials, the menu, and even the spa treatments all feel deeply tied to the town and the surrounding region. The Parroquia suite, with its direct view of the church spires, is a one-of-a-kind feature that no other hotel in town can match. The combination of 3 outdoor pools, a rooftop tapas bar, an on-site art gallery, and a full-service spa creates an experience that feels both indulgent and authentic. Pet-friendly rooms, family residences, and thoughtful children's programming add to the appeal without diluting the luxury feel. For travelers planning more structured visits, the hotel also offers meeting and event spaces, including ballrooms and outdoor terraces. These spaces have made the Rosewood a popular venue for destination weddings, milestone celebrations, and smaller corporate retreats. The setting is hard to beat, with photogenic backdrops at every turn and a team experienced in handling the details. Couples planning weddings here often comment on how smoothly things run, even when guest lists grow complicated. The hotel's reputation for events does occasionally create some background noise, as one Expedia reviewer noted, but most guests find the trade-off acceptable given the overall experience. The guest experience highlights are what truly stick with travelers long after checkout. Reviewers repeatedly mention staff who go out of their way to make small moments special, whether that means remembering a guest's coffee order, arranging surprise birthday touches, or helping plan an unforgettable day trip. The cabanas by the pool, the in-room fireplaces flickering on cool evenings, and the rooftop sunsets over the historic skyline are the kinds of memories guests describe with genuine warmth. For travelers looking for a Mexican getaway that combines history, art, food, and serious comfort, the Rosewood San Miguel de Allende delivers on every front. It is not the cheapest option in town, but for those who can swing it, the value is clearly there. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.